Yeah, good warm. 10 minutes of
Try
warming
not to
up.
think about the hints from Matt Seed.
Well, at least
Yeah,
Megaton Hammer was in spirit. That's
this is
Oh,
true.
also, we should do weekly shorts at some point.
Yes, we should. I don't really like this week's weekly shorts, but we should absolutely be doing those like normally.
My game just crashed. Sick.
I'm gonna change the game, but not the title because I'm lazy.
I like how I have Notepad open, but I'm not using it at all. Like, I'm just keeping everything up in my cranium. You know what I'm
Oh,
saying?
they changed the game audio. That's right.
No, it's because of the freaking controller I have plugged in. Okay. What's going on? I have to Alta for.
Hey, I got gold on
Dude,
my first
nice.
run.
I'm still holding my my Nintendo 64 controller as if that's going to control Trackmania.
Dude, Trackmania, like, it had like a spasm as I opened it because my controller was still connected, and it was like spamming like 19,000 buttons simultaneously for some reason.
This is a mess with this.
Yeah, I'm really gonna have to push for a better quality time, but I'm glad I practiced beforehand because now I have a division that I can be in, and hopefully I'll be consistent at the track within the next amount of time.
Always ended 6 minutes. Can I get one run in 6 minutes? Let's find out. Oh, I got a stream because we got the setup. Yeah, Blizzard, this is your map. This is your jam.
Dang, dude. So good.
Chi lover in here.
Well, I got 0.5 away from my PB on like my first run, so probably where I'd expect to be. Oh, Blizzard's net died. That's pretty great.
The internet is gone. How's the setup looking without Blizzard here?
Oh, slightly empty, but it's alright.
Okay.
Nice,
What's
I
your
got a
time?
58 flat. Got a whole second
Oh.
off.
Nice time. Here's the thing. I gotta do well now in qualies in the next 8 minutes because I want to get out early so that I can play the weekly shorts while we wait for y'all.
Slubber number 8 on the leaderboard.
Oh. What's split?
What do you mean?
Like the clan,
Oh. I don't actually know.
the club, I guess. That turn is such a debate. I have a feeling that Cheese Lover's gonna get Division 1. I'll be brave enough to say it.
You're really putting it all on the line there, huh?
I just got a notification that someone was playing Liar's Bar. Have you ever played that?
I haven't. What is that?
Have you heard of it?
I don't think I have.
It's like the game where you're sitting around like a poker table / whatever table with like a gun, and you basically like play like a game of like BS or whatever with the cards, and if you get called on your BS, or if you call someone on their BS and they're not, then you have to take a shot out of your gun and hope, or take some poison. It's like, you know, whatever the mode is, and basically you have a chance of dying every time you call BS wrongly or get called BS on.
Huh.
It's kind of fun. And you like play as like Zootopia animals and stuff like that. It's very strange.
High stakes BS. Interesting.
Yes. It's very fun, from what I can tell. It's very funny to watch, like, video game donkey play it, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Or like Simple Flips. Which, by the way, do you watch Simple Flips? I can't remember if I...
It's been forever since I watched Simple Flips.
Gotcha. The goat's back?
Oh my, even better news. So I was actually just originally going to switch to my hotspot, but my Samsung is no longer recognized through USB at all on my computer. It just does not count as a connection anymore. So I couldn't even tether my phone. But like, I can't even like access its files anymore. Like, it's just not there.
You're not on Linux, are you?
No.
Do you think you're missing drivers? That's what it sounds like.
Is it possible that they deleted themselves, I guess?
Well, it's possible like Windows 11 doesn't come pre-installed with those drivers and you have to download them.
Why would I have Windows 11?
Oh, you have Windows 10. I didn't realize that.
Yeah. I mean, this is like a case of, okay, if it was working the week before that, and the week before that, and the week before that, why specifically today does it not work at all? Like, yeah, I mean, you're right, it could be a driver thing, but then that would, to me, that would mean that, like,
well, didn't you just switch,
deleted
like,
drivers?
Didn't you just, like, partition your hard drive or something?
No, this hard drive is it's a completely separate hard drive. Everything on Linux is just entirely separate. Nothing is merged at all.
Okay, I see.
And more screen sharing for me. Not until we
Alright,
get back to Trackmania.
Looks like it's just you and me, Meta.
Alright.
The Portal Master General and Home Slick.
Oh my.
Some of these turns are very brutal. I'm not gonna lie.
You mean registration for today's cup? Okay, there we go. I was about to get really mad, but it recognized I have time. Okay, 71st, not bad.
Nice.
Hey, what is your time?
55.5.
Dang. It's a minute flat. I'll take that.
Did I hit a wall? So slow.
How do I keep... I mean, pretty early.
I hate this turn. That last dirt downhill at the ending is just nasty.
It's nasty work.
Nasty. Nasty, I tell you. Nasty.
Narst.
I can't wait to get out from crashing the start.
You'll be fine. I'm just hoping like I can do a little better than I have so that I can get out early so I can play some of the weekly shorts. While I wait for you guys. Unfortunately, I am slow. Smelling slow like dough.
Okay, so if that happens, what am I supposed to do? Yeah, 'cause that's like bad. This turn is so confusing to me. This guy said release after the last downhill turn. I'm like, yeah, I don't know any other way to do it.
It's giving you a helpful hint.
Qualifier rank 79.
Nice.
Well, have fun to all you nerds out there.
Thank you.
Happy.
Happy 365 in the Chattington?
Are we playing the same map? Why is Blizzard in the water? That is Surflix. I just don't have Surflix's name in this layout.
But you can pretend it's Blizzard if you want. I like pretending that Blizzard is worse than me.
Yeah, I'm doing some high octane gameplay, but
But
Blizzard's
network ain't
not,
networking.
yeah, unfortunately, internet.com does
More
not
like
allow for...
internet.gov.
Yeah, for real, because it's controlled by the government.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm about
Whatever
to PB
did
warm
happen
up.
to net neutrality?
Bro, he came back.
A Jeep pie?
Yeah, dude, he came back like last year or something.
Dude,
This was like a
let's
big.
go.
I was talking to Liam about it. Bro returned.
Did he return with a bang or?
I think he was trying to bring back net neutrality, but everybody was like, no.
They're trying to bring it back?
well, or whatever. He was trying to make his change.
Didn't we get rid of net neutrality already?
I don't know how. Whatever he was doing was bad, and we wanted to not let him do that. I don't remember it was getting it or getting rid of it. It's just whatever he was doing was bad.
Alright, I almost tied my PP exactly. Literally 30 milliseconds. On the dot of this time. They call me the cringe. Alright.
That's crazy.
Because I'm French.
Oh, huge lag spike. Game lag spike. That was awesome. Really
Ajit
hope my
got
game
rid of
randomly.
net neutrality, and last year they brought
Another
it back.
game lag spike. Nice.
And the Ajit Pi was like, nah, we need to get rid of it again.
Dang, that's gonna be a tough backwards map.
LHF.
Hey, are you in Div 3 or 4?
I'm in 3, I think.
Yeah, I don't see you in here.
Okay, another game freeze. That's my 4th one since I've joined the lobby. Okay, my game is randomly freezing about every 4 to 5 seconds.
Dang, we got a lot of backwards gamers in here. This is crazy.
This is a huge problem with this new update. I'm having so many game freezes.
Yeah, considering I had my first game crash with this update.
God, I'm next.
Didn't you crash on the menu?
Well, that was because my controller was plugged in.
Oh.
That wasn't anything to do with Trackmania itself. It was spamming inputs at like 9,000 a second. Man, you can't even turtle in this economy.
What does the world come to? No turtles.
I have no idea how to fix this. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. My game's freezing spectating people.
I
Is there
turtled
any time
going
to restart
backwards.
between rounds or no? Or actually, I guess if you leave when you're out.
Oh, yeah, I'm in the clear. Did players not just turn off? Why did they not? Alright. Am I just stuck with players on?
I might have to hold down the button for a second.
Thank you for the good RNG, Happy.
I'm seeing people complaining in my chat about lag as well. I wonder what's going on.
I had to lose a couple seconds to turn players
Hey,
off, but
that was a fine time to freeze. Like, legitimately, no sarcasm, that was a fine time, but I'm gonna get mad when it's not a fine time.
Hmm.
Like that. $56.3.
Nice time.
Yeah, I just put my game in isolated full screen, which just means I can't tab out or else it'll crash the game. So maybe that'll help.
can I share the good RNG with the other call members? Yeah. Yeah, it's more of like it's split among us.
Among Us.
I was gonna say it if you did. How do you even get that? I wish I was screen sharing, but I'm not gonna do it. But that's really funny what this guy just did. How do you even get up there? That's freaking crazy.
Dang, this guy actually committed to the round one backwards, and he's getting kicked out for it. Tragedy.
Truly.
Dude,
Ooh,
bonked where
it's
I've
a
never
turtle.
bonked before.
Oh, me when I see turtles. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Go.
Going. Garbage lines. All good.
All good. Let's go.
My goal for this is top 100. What is that guy's horde?
There's no way I'm out round 2 because I had to respawn checkpoint 1, right?
I think you'll be fine.
Dude, I just barely made it. By like 0.1. That's crazy.
My time loss is at the start because I'm taking the first part super safe.
He may be out here. I'm in. By a hair.
Nice.
The North Korean is out.
All right, 57.5 for a bad run. That's not too bad.
This guy's name is Rumpelsack.
Your good RNG is working, dude. I wish you could see my epic gameplay.
Dude, 57.8.
Nice.
This time.
Almost on par with my bad run. You know, I'm so much better. Joke.
Brother.
Almost as if I played the track for an hour. Oh yeah, that's right. We started without releasing the gas. First time. This lobby.
So you noobs don't really know the effect of braking on dirt. Which I be doing all the time.
That was close. Really not have cut that close.
That guy did just disappear, and I wonder if it's because of something I clicked.
You guys gotta see what happened to me when my internet disconnected. I got an animation that I've never seen before.
Someone in my lobby is playing while on a work call.
Goated.
56-2. Nice. I beat Blizzard. Easy.
Yeah, that was such a good run until the
Blizzard.
end. Blizzard.
Yeah, that was Blizzard.
Yeah, frustrated. That could have been actually a really nice time. Instead, I had to settle for 10th place.
For everybody saying GG Blizzard and it's not me because I'm fizzy. Crazy stuff.
Only room for one Blizzard in Div 2.
The thing is, nobody's gonna know me as Blizzard.
You're not a Div 2 Daniel.
Well, no, it's just because my name is Fizzy Blizzy, and nobody's gonna assume that means Blizzard.
Yeah, they're gonna say Fizzy. Or
Yeah.
Blizzy.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. That is not good.
That could have been better.
Ooh, that could have gone a lot worse. It's a change in mindset. You see, Starbucks? You say it could have been better. I say it could have been worse.
That could have been worse.
Ooh, I did that without releasing. I think it's just because I was going slow. 57.5. Okay, that's a work.
Dang, y'all's bad times are clearing my PBs. That's crazy.
We played this map before.
Yeah.
Y'all are doing better than the top player in my lobby, so just know that.
If I only
This
had
guy said
15 minutes on the map, I don't know if I would be.
Yeah, no, I don't know, because I took 15 minutes just to get a clean run to the end. Or to get, like, any run to the end, because that's how I am. I just play until I get, like, a perfect run.
The perfect run, the Super Mario Galaxy 2 star.
Yeah. I'll be like 10 minutes into attempts and Blizzard's just like, alright, that would have been like a 52.
Yeah, but my PB is like 3 minutes.
No, straight up, I remember you were running like with no respawn, like insane times, but your PB was like worse than mine. It's like
I should still be
That's
safe
just
here.
because
I'm not
just too
safe here.
susceptible to like.
optimization.
Well, that sucks.
I'm too susceptible to time differences or like drift time. Like, oh, my drift time is going to be different if I'm on that run, so I just don't want to take that run.
Right.
Dang it, that could have been a PB, I think. Oh well. 56.7. Crashed that last turn.
It's unfortunate, but the others will carry.
Now they need to add like spectating other lobbies.
Mm-hmm.
Please just land right up. Okay, that's probably not good. Yeah, last. Okay. We come back. We come back. Not that a bit of clean driving can't save.
It's the beauty of Cup of the Day. There's always another day.
That's true.
Poetry straight to the heart.
Good transition. That's one place. You get downhill. Okay, that's another place. That's all I need if I keep it. Yes! I'm so
Yes.
good!
Let's go.
I'm so freaking good, dude. Kana. Okay, since I put my game in dedicated full screen, it's been better, but I'm afraid that the tabbing out issue is going to come back, so we'll see.
I'm
Got
not
a-
tabbing out aloud.
Nice clean start, Surflix.
Thank you.
Oh, no! Okay, woo! That was almost really bad. I'm like living on a prayer. I'm not gonna lie. This is I'm doing crazy stuff every run.
We're good.
I could spend my time doing the weekly shorts.
Oh, are you out?
Yeah. I
Dang.
bonked on the dirt downhill, and some guy passed me like right at the end of that dirt.
Word.
Oh, don't join room. Solo.
I was going so fast I didn't know how to take that turn. Dang.
3-minute Fortnite ad? Oh yeah. You're welcome.
Dude, that was such a good run. I was going so fast, I didn't know how to do the ending. Okay, this guy's running a 54.9, so that's a little fast.
You don't say.
I think I'm capable, but... Hey, top 24, nice.
The beauty of being in Div 4 is that if you mess up, for pretty much every checkpoint that you don't mess up from there on out, you gain like 4 spots. Because there's like 4 people that bonk on them.
I need 56-1. It's gonna be so hard to beat my PB, and I have to do that if I want to beat like the top like 3 to 4 people in this lobby.
Dang, track 1 had a pretty easy 18. Like 2 attempts.
What? Dude, I was like 25 minutes on that yesterday.
I saw. I was like, I don't know. I was cooking something up in my brain when I was watching you and just didn't say anything.
Maybe. Oh no. Oh no. Classic last place. Classic +5. Really gotta cook here if I want to catch up. Okay.
Dang it, I'm out.
I tried pushing. I tried pushing.
Alright.
55-5, no respawn too. Alright, 19th in Div 2.
Nice.
I'm gonna play one weekly short. and
That's
then
my
we'll hop
best. That's my best night ranking ever, I think. My final ranking Cup of the Day is 83rd. Cup of the night, I guess. I got 4 of the decent trophies for that. Nice. Good track. I like it. Very, very much like it. I'm super happy with my my time here. Top 12 PA, not bad.
What is this track? I'm gonna get gold on this, then we can play rando.
The only track I have an interest in grinding is track 2. But I was watching Scrappy play track 4, I think it is, or 3, I can't remember. It might be track 3 for like a really long time trying to get this crazy nose bug strat. Okay, what was this? Yeah, that was these trophies, not these. I wish it was these. Solo ranking track. Yeah, I am probably gonna get like a trophy for.
I got author time.
Nice.
See.
Nice.
Yeah, I think they're all not too bad, but
That was track 5 though, so.
yeah, you're kind of an ice gamer. What can I say?
Mm-hmm. All right, I'm hopping on rando if you guys are.
Let's see. Surely for my solo ranking on today's track, I'm gonna get one of these trophies.
All right, do we want to change any settings between this and this seed and the seed previous?
I think Meta wants to turn on so that we can see what Deku Scrubs sell.
Yes.
Okay, we can do that.
Because, oh my goodness, is it annoying having to... Like, I just didn't have money because I bought an
Everything.
ice trap.
Yeah.
Okay. Serena's back.
Huge.
What song is... Title theme, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas.
What?
If you randomize the background music, it has a chance to have Christmas music in there.
I'll be randomizing audio. I just kind of want to put "Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas." Oh my gosh! Wait, is Little Saint Nick in here?
Audio.
No, there's Little Saint Nick isn't here. Here, I'm freaking sad. All right, Hyrule Field's gonna be.
Wait, where's the settings for this? Audio editor.
Christmas song? Chestnuts roasting. Yeah, there you go. All right, yeah, change the scrub settings and then slap me a seed. I'm just gonna delete this and rename myself to the same thing because I want to. So this time instead of Yink, I'm gonna be Yink 2.
Can't do whom.gov too. I don't have enough characters.
You just have to do less of a hmm. It'll be a short hmm.
Is there a new seed here?
I'm
Meta's
still
making
looking
it.
for the setting.
Meta's Mick cooking.
Mick cooking.
Also, if you could re-screen share your game,